Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. I'm going to put a second video out on catching drips with your applicator. I just posted one where we're cleaning a set of patio doors, taller windows. This is a different style of window, set of 6, and we all know our techniques change from window styles. So I just want to put that out there. We're going to basically be doing the same thing. The difference with this, I'm going to wet all 3 of these tops all at the same time, and then I'll get out my squeegee and using my applicator in my left hand, keeping it pressed against the surface here. It's on the window. Just kind of following back and forth to catch these drips. Now we all know that we all have different styles. Styles change. I'm just going to use that pair sleeve just to wipe up some of that from here. When I get here, I wet these all down. You can wet these down individually. You can wet them down in 3s or 6s all at one time, whichever your method is. All depends if you're in the sun or inside, outside, or whatnot. Now this has a wider ledge right here, so you might not even need an applicator to follow you here, and just let that water just drip right onto that ledge because it's not going to splash far. You can use whichever technique you choose that you find beneficial. Just want to point out my technique, one way of doing it. Thanks for watching. It's out here on Window Warriors Forum.